welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I threw together a very quick Meijer must-do deals video for you that starts on June 5th and goes through the 11th of 2022. I am on vacation, but we were relaxing, kids are watching some TV, just chilling out. I decided to see what I could find for you. And so these are the deals that I have found, and I know I'm probably missing a few. If you find any yourself, please leave them in the comments below for everybody to view. So that way everybody can benefit from the deals at Meijer. But there's quite a few things that are going on that you're going to be excited about. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's see what is going to be happening at Meijer this week. Okay, so first deal that I kind of want to let you know about. I didn't put together a scenario. I didn't have the time to do that, but there is a huge in-perk for 30 off when you spend $100 on Bounty, Charmin, Puffs, Tide, Gain, Swiffer, or Cascade. So, if you have a scenario, please put it in the comments below. I'll pin one of them if I get a good one. So that way you can definitely check that out. But if you have a good scenario for this, I thought this would be a great deal. I just don't have the time right now on vacation to put something together, but I would love to see if somebody comes up with something amazing. But definitely check out this 30 off 100. What an amazing in-perk. Okay, so this is still a freebie. We got this last week. My store was completely out of stock. They've been out of stock for like a couple weeks now, so I wasn't able to grab one of these. So if you're like me and you're still waiting, we have through this week to grab them. Hopefully they restock and you're able to grab your freebie, but unfortunately when everybody gets the same freebie, it tends to go out of stock pretty quickly. So fingers crossed you're going to grab your Oikios for free. All right, this also is still available to you if you didn't grab it. I actually grabbed mine last week, but the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Mask is regularly priced $2.89. There's a 3-off-1 in-perk, making it free. I did do an in-store video for you. Definitely go check that video out. I know it's for last week, some of last week's sales, but it's got a couple of the deals that are still good this week, so you want to see how that all worked out. But completely free for this, I had absolutely no problem. It does reduce down the in-perk to the actual price, so you don't get any kind of overage, but still a great easy freebie. This is also a really great deal, the Neutrogena facial cleansing bars. I did do it in my video last week as well. It's regularly priced $2.09. There's a 2-off-1 in-perk, making the final cost just 9 cents, which is completely crazy, but what a great price here. Like I said, I did it in my in-store video from Thursday, so go check that video out if you want to see how I put that together. Another really great deal here is the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Spot Treatment Gel 1 ounce. So these are regularly priced $7.49. There is a 3-off-1 in-perk. Load that in-perk. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $4.49, but Ibotta has this really great 4-off-1 that's a limit of 2 times for that stubborn acne, and it does include the spot treatment. So the final cost, 49 cents. What a really, really great deal for this. All right, next deal. So if you were like me and was not able to grab this last week because my store was completely wiped of it, don't worry, you're going to get a better deal this week, and it's going to make everybody that cleaned you out last week feel bad, right? So Fairlife Ultra Filtered Plain Yogurt, 24 ounces, regularly priced $4.99. It's on sale for $3.99 each. Now, out of pocket, that's what you're going to pay. But Ibotta has a rebate for 5 back on 1, limit of 1 time, making this completely free and a $1.01 moneymaker. So my fingers are crossed. I'm out of town right now. We're nowhere near a Meijer. We're in Tennessee right now. At least I don't think so. Is there a Meijer in Tennessee? Anyway, we'll be heading back on Tuesday. So hopefully Tuesday night, Wednesday, something like that, I can head over to Meijer and grab this freebie and moneymaker. My fingers crossed that they are back in stock for this plain yogurt. Now, if you don't care for the plain yogurt, even though it's a freebie and moneymaker, you could grab this deal. Now, these are the ultra filtered flavored yogurts, the different flavored ones. They're also regularly priced $4.99. They're also on sale for $3.99. Pay that out of pocket, but then you could submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost $1.49. So a very, very good price on $5 tub of yogurt. So I I'm going to look at both of these. I'm definitely going to get the freebie if I can get it in the Moneymaker. But this one is actually be a pretty good deal too. I'd have to look at the carb count, that type of thing. I'm getting back on my diet when I get back from vacation. Anyway, I'll talk about that later. Anyway, this is a great deal. All right, so I throw this into my Meijer videos all the time, but I want to give a quick little thing about Ibotta. If you do not have Ibotta rebate app, which most couponers do, this is probably the #1 rebate app out there. You need to load it today. Now, I do have a referral code. It's on the screen. It's also located in the description box below with a link to get to Ibotta. You want to download this rebate app onto your phone. It is my favorite one. Not only can you get money back on items you're already going to purchase, but you are eligible for bonuses and making extra money on top of it. And it's a lot of fun to put together deals as well. So definitely make sure you have Ibotta if you don't already. All right, guys, let's talk about, this is the last week to grab this freebie if you haven't already. The Air Wick Scented Oil Gadget, regularly priced $1.89. There's that $1.99 off one in perk that does reduce down to the $1.89, making it completely free. But this is the last week to grab it. It will not be my video next week, I promise, because the coupon is expired. But you definitely have a chance to grab this if you haven't already. Okay, this is another one of those. It's been in my videos for a couple of weeks, but it will be gone this next week because this is the last week you can grab these. You can grab 2 of the Neutrogena sunscreen 1 ounces. They're regularly priced $2. They're the travel size. We have a 4 off 2 in perk that's attaching to them, making them completely free, but the in perk does expire on the 11th. So you have the rest of this week to grab these. They're very, very small, little travel size one. So, if you're wanting a bigger one, you may want to use your 4 off 2 on that. All right, new deal here. Clear and Clean Cleansing Astringent, 8 ounce. It's regularly priced $4.49. We have a $2.50 off one in perk, making the final cost just $1.99. Really great deal on strawberries this week. The 2-pound containers are $2.99 each. It's kind of funny. I know that fruit is in season right now, but we're definitely seeing the sale prices that are reflecting the great deals we're getting, or the easy access to this wonderful fruit. So $2.99, great time to stock up on some really good strawberries. Don't those strawberries look amazing? Like, they never look that good in the containers, but that looks really good. All right, next deal we have is the Totino's pizza rolls. Grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $5.19, but they're going to be $3.50 each when you buy 2. Now, you will pay $7 out of pocket, but then Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on one. It's limited 5 times, so you get a total of $1 back, making that final cost $6 total, or just $3 each. Halo ice cream just got better this week. So the Halo Top ice cream that was regularly priced $5.39 is on sale this week. So last week it was regular price when I had this deal in the video, but this week it is on sale. So $3.99 each. There's $1 off one in perk. It does expire on the 9th. So you only have a few days. You do not have the entire week of this sale to grab this. Out of pocket, pay $2.99. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, limit of 1 time. Final cost $1.99 for one of these. Great price here. We also have some deals on some razors. So the Schick Extreme razors are regularly priced $6.29. We have a 4 off 1 in perk. Final cost $2.29, and the 4 off 1 in perk does attach to several different types of razors. So if there's some other disposable razors that you are wanting, you could definitely use it on them. 9 Elements dishwashing liquid dish soap, 16 ounce, regularly priced $3.99, but we have a 2 off 1 in perk, making that final cost just $1.99. All right, the rind dried fruit. There's a bunch of different types. So let me tell you about you can grab one of them for 99 cents basically, possibly more if the Ibotta reloads, but they're regularly priced $4.99. Now you do have to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has 3 back on one, which is a limit of 1 time, and then Fetch is giving 1,000 points, or basically $1 back per kind. So as you can see in the picture below, that it has several different types of the rind. So you can get one of them for 99 cents, and then hopefully Ibotta reloads and you get that $3 again. You could go back and do a different kind with Fetch. It just depends on Ibotta reloading if you can do this multiple times. All right, real quick, you have to have Fetch Rewards. Speaking of Fetch, so Fetch Rewards is another rebate app. It is not necessarily my favorite rebate app, but it's definitely the easiest rebate app out there. So it's a really good one for beginners. All you do is you scan your receipts. It gives you points. Points turn into cash. So every 1,000 points you get $1. And then you can turn that cash into gift cards. So it's a really, really easy rebate app. But my referral code is right there on the screen as well as in the description box below. Make sure you sign up for Fetch today. All right, another really great deal. This is a stock up price. If you have multiple coupons, I would definitely get 4 of these and use 2 coupons. But grab 2 of the Quaker Captain Crunch. I'm not sure if the Life cereal is also included in the 2 for $4. Again, I can't really check it from here, from where I'm at. But if you know, put that in the description box, or sorry, put that in the comments below. Grab 2 of these though, Captain Crunch cereals, regularly priced $3.29, on sale for $2 each when you buy 2. Use the $1 off 2 from Smart Source 5.8. It does expire on the 19th, but you've got it all the way through this sale. Out of pocket, pay $3, but Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on 1, limit of 5 times. So you get $2 back, making the final cost $1 total, or 50 cents each. Stock up time for cereal. It's been a while since I've seen cereal a really good price, and this is a really good price. So this is definitely stock up time. Like I said, if you have more than 1 coupon, I would definitely get 4 of the Quaker Captain Crunch cereals and use 2 coupons for this deal. And like I said, if you know about the Life cereals, if they're also included, this could be a really good deal for them. Next, we have the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. You want to grab 3 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $2.99. The sale is buy 2, get 1 free. Use a 3 off 2 from Save 6.5. Makes them 99 cents each. Now, if you prefer the whole blends, we've got a deal for that too. Grab 3 of them. They're regularly priced $3.99. Also on sale for buy 2, get 1 free. Use the 3 off 2 and Save 6.5. Final cost $1.66 each. Next deal we have is the Pepsi. So last week they were part of the buy 5 thing and they were $2.99 each. This week they're going to be $3, so just a penny more. But grab 4 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $3.99. Now they're on sale for $3 each when you buy 3 or more. So it should turn out to be $12 total when you grab 4 of them. There is a 3 off 4 in perk, so your final cost is going to be $9 total, or $2.25 each, which is a really great deal. Hoping that my store restocks sodas. If you saw my in-store video from Thursday, my store was completely wiped of anything diet Pepsi related. So Diet Pepsi, Diet Mountain Dew. So I actually was going in to use this digital coupon and I could not use it because I could not find any diet. We don't drink regular soda at my house. So interesting. Hopefully when I get back, I can grab this deal because it's a really good one. Okay, we have a deal on the Dove deodorants and Degree deodorants. So the sale that's going on right now is buy 2, get 1 free. So what we're going to do is grab 1 of the Dove deodorants that are regularly priced $6.29 and 2 of the Degree deodorants that are regularly priced $5.19. Now this, like I said, the sale is buy 2, get 1 free. So $5.19 comes off automatically, and then you want to use the $1 off 1 Dove in perk as well as the $1.25 off 1 Degree in perk. The final cost $9.23 total, or just $3.08 each for all of this deodorant. All right, another deal that is going on at Meijer this week that I thought was worthy mentioning is the buy 1, get 1 for $1 on women's tops, shorts, bottoms, or swimwear. It seems like that could be a really good deal depending on how you mix and match items. Remember that whatever item you purchase is the cheapest, it's going to be the one that rings up for $1. So if you do spend, like a $20 shirt, you have 2 $20 shirts and you have a $5 shirt, that you're going to get that $5 shirt for $1. You want to make sure that you get, 3 $20 shirts so that you make that $1 one worth something, if that makes sense. So pay attention to what you're purchasing, but I thought this could turn out to be a really good deal depending on what you're grabbing. There's also a deal going on with Jurassic World. items. So it's all Jurassic World toys or games. They're buy one, get one 40% off, plus there is a 15% off in perk. So I took one of the items on there, the plush assortments. Now, this is just one example. Obviously, you can mix and match and there's a lot there you can do. And there's some items that are like $30, $40. So if you, again, worked it out just right, you could save a ton of money on some items. But grab like 2 of the Jurassic World plush is the example I'm giving. They're regularly priced $9.99. They're on sale for buy one, get one 40% off, plus the 50% off in perk makes the final cost $13.59 total, or basically just $6.79 each. Like I said, that's one of the cheaper items. So if I were to pick a different one that's like $25, $30, you could save a lot more money with both the 40% off and the 15% off combined. Okay guys, that's all I have for you while I'm on vacation. Like I said, if I missed something, please put it in the comments below, as well as, you know, give me that scenario on the Charmin Bounty, that type of thing. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and enjoy the next week. I will be back from vacation soon, and I'll be back with you for more videos. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.